Hello and welcome to Astar Network. In today's guide, we'll cover how to install and set up a Polkadot Native Wallet and use it with the Astar portal. Let's get started. First, we will need to install the Polkadot.js wallet. Like MetaMask, this wallet lives as an extension in your browser. First, navigate to the download page for the Polkadot.js wallet. We stress this in all of our videos. Always double check the URL and verify you are downloading crypto wallets and extensions only from verified sources. Once you're on the install page, click the Download For button. You will be brought to the extension install page. Click the Add To button. Now add extension. We will now pin the Polkadot.js wallet extension to the browser. Click the puzzle piece in the top right corner. Now click the pin. Click on the Polka.JS icon and read over the notes about the wallet and click Understood. From here, you will see the basic wallet layout. Let's go ahead and create a new wallet. Click the plus button in the middle of the screen. Now you will see your seed phrase. This is the key to your vault. Anyone with this phrase has full access to all of your funds in the wallet. Write this down and store it somewhere safe. Once you've securely stored your seed phrase, check the box and click Next Step. You will now see several fields. The first one is Network. This allows you to limit which networks your wallet can interact with. You can change a setting at any point after setup. I will leave this on the default allow use on any chain. The second field is a descriptive name for your account. This can be whatever you'd like. I will name mine Astar with several tasteful rocket emojis. Now we will have to set up a new password for the account. This is a local password only. It is only used for unlocking and confirming transactions. This password is in no way correlated with your seed phrase. If you were to install your Polka.js wallet on a different machine, you could have an entirely different password and operate the wallet in the exact same way. Fill in your password. Now confirm. Now click Add the account. Congratulations, your wallet is now set up and ready to rock. The Polka.js extension does not have much functionality in just the extension. You'll mostly be interacting with the wallet through dApps and portals. There are some important features to note. If you click the cogwheel in the top right corner of your screen, you'll open your settings. By far the most important setting to change is the theme. From light to dark, much better. Just below that, you'll see Display Address Format For. This is a very useful feature. Let's say you buy DOT and ASTR on an exchange, and you want to send them to this wallet. While they will be coming to the same wallet, the exchange will want the specified network address. So let's say you want to send DOT to your wallet. Go ahead and click the dropdown and change it to Polkadot Relay Chain. When you do this, you'll notice the address has changed under your account name. This is the address you would use to send DOT. Now, if you wanted to send ASTR, simply follow the same steps and select Astar Network. These steps are applicable for any compatible network and chain. The last function I would like to show you is the Manage Website Access tab at the bottom of the settings menu. If you click this, it will show you every website Polka.js has connected to, as well as whether or not you've allowed access to the website. From here, you'll also be able to revoke any website permissions. If you ever find you are unable to connect your wallet to a website, check here first. It is possible that the website has been denied access to connect. I will now show you how to connect your wallet to the Astar portal. Load up the portal and press connect. We will now select Polkadot.js. You will be prompted to allow access to the portal. Click yes. Now select the account you'd like to use and click connect. You're now connected to the Astar portal. Let me show you some of the basic functions you can do. At the top here, you will see your Astar Network wallet address. This is the same address you'd use to send from an exchange to the connected wallet. The next thing is the faucet. The faucet will automatically deposit 0.0002 ASTR into your wallet. This is enough gas to cover many transactions. If you click on the transfer button, this will allow you to send ASTR from one wallet to another. This button also functions as a way to move ASTR from a Polkadot Native Wallet to an EVM wallet like MetaMask. Click Transfer. Now fill in the to field with either an Astar Network wallet address or an EVM address. I will go ahead and fill in my MetaMask address as an example. You will see this symbol has changed to reflect an EVM address. Now enter the amount you'd like to transfer and click Confirm. This function also works in the opposite direction if you're connected to the portal using a MetaMask wallet. With a native wallet, you're also able to participate in dApp staking. We will show you how to do this in a different guide. Congratulations, you've now successfully set up your first Polkadot Native Wallet. Now get out there and explore Astar and the entire .Sama ecosystem. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.